Good day guys, Elijah Wood's song again. And this time the title is Last Girl. So chords and string pattern ituturo ko sa inyo. Let's start guys. First verses and then second part pre-chorus and then chorus part. Then we have instrumental part at outro. So sundan nyo panoorin nyo ng buo ang video kasi iba't ibang parts nga. So first part, verses. So the original key is F sharp. So F sharp. And the second chord ay B. So twice guys, twice ito para sa verse. So play natin. So verse. Then repeat. For the verses. And then the string pattern is down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down. Okay? Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Okay? Timing. Down, up, down, up. So yun ang verses ha. And then diretso na pre-chorus. So the first chord for the pre-chorus. Water, clear. So E flat minor. So 6 fret yan. Okay, ada 6 fret. Then B minor 6 fret. Okay. And then second C sharp. And then B. So let's play with the string pattern. And down, C sharp, and then B. Clear. Okay, isang linya lang, one line only. And then chorus, chorus part. So sa chorus part, 4 lines para sa chorus. First 2 lines, chorus, first 2 lines, F sharp and B, okay? You and me. Then repeat, second line. You and me suddenly. And then third line ay yung kaya sa pre-chorus, E flat minor, then C sharp, then B. And then the last line or fourth line, suddenly F sharp and B. Then the last girl I'm bringing, my lyrics na last girl I'm bringing home. Di tayo nagkakamali. Okay? So ulit, first 2 lines F sharp and B. And then third line B flat minor, E flat minor, C sharp and B. And then last line or fourth line, so yan ang buong chorus. And then repeat ang verses, repeat lang yung verses, and then repeat the pre-chorus, and then pati ang chorus part, repeat lang guys. Same chords. And then diretso tayo ng instrumental part. So pagkatapos ng second chorus, after second chorus, instrumental part. So these are the chords, twice F sharp and B. So twice yan guys, twice for the instrumental part. Twice. And then after that guys ay outro. And outro, ito mga chords ng outro. E flat minor, then C sharp, then B, and then F sharp and B, and then B. Bring home. Yan ang outro guys. E flat minor, C sharp, B, then F sharp at B. So yan na lahat, nakasunod-sunod na yun guys. Siguro mag-upload tayo ng with Capo version. No Capo version kasi ito. Next upload natin siguro ay with Capo version. The original key nito ay F sharp original key F sharp. Then abangan nyo ang next upload. At meron tayong Facebook page. Lagyan natin ang link sa baba sa comment section. Paki-follow lang hanggang dito man tutorial. At see you sa mga next na uploads. Bisitahin nyo ang FB page natin at follow natin. Bye bye.